Hello everyone, how are you? I'm teacher Maurício, and this is another video for the series Teacher's Talk. Today I am here to talk about one of my hobbies, cooking. I can say that I grew up around the kitchen, at home, at my grandmother's house. I liked to watch my mother and my grandmother cooking. And I was a very curious boy. When I was 7 years old, my brother was born. I had to help around the house, and one of my obligations was to prepare lunch for the family. My mother helped me, and I learned to make simple things: rice, salads, juice, potatoes, meat, eggs, etc. We had some cookbooks at home, and I decided to try to make some of the dishes. Sometimes the result was great, sometimes it was a disaster. With time and practice, I started to invent some recipes, and it became a hobby. For me, cooking is relaxing. My favorite things to cook are bread, steaks, pasta, and pizza. Before the pandemic, I decided to cook for groups of people. They came to my house once a month and tried a special menu. It was a success. Everyone enjoyed the food. One of my desserts is wine pears with gorgonzola ice cream. I make everything, even the ice cream. Very soon, hopefully, I will start receiving visitors again. Hey, maybe you could be my next guest. What do you say? Well, this is all for today, and see you soon. Bye-bye.